Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. We do appreciate you guys. Today we're back in SilverLeaf, specifically Cherry Elm Dreamfinders Townhomes. And we're taking a peek at the Osprey. Pretty cool 3 or 4 bedroom home, and we're gonna learn a little bit about it, so come on. All right gang, the Osprey, 3 or 4 bedrooms, and I'll show you where the 4th bedroom could be. 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, 1,760 square feet. Got some cool little attributes to it I wanna show you guys. There we go. All right, as we come in, we're gonna go past the stairs. We also, let me back up a second, we also just went past, that's the entrance to the 2-car garage. Pretty standard. Water heaters on the inside there, the tankless hot water heater, because SilverLeaf is a natural gas community. But if you come in here, it's pretty decent size, but what's really cool about this is a couple uses of pocket doors. You got a pocket door for the powder bath right here, which I think is kind of a nice idea, okay? And then over here, look at this kitchen. It's like its own room, like the old days, I'll say. Plenty of cabinets. It's got a little personality because of the stairs right there. Yeah. And you know, you got the stove right here in the center, a standard stove. And you got plenty of room on either side. You know, and then you got all this space here. And they've upgraded this one with some really nice tile and some under cab lighting. So, Dreamfinders, one thing they tend to do is put the receptacles horizontal in the kitchen. Every builder's got something they do, or some things that they do. But no, it's pretty cool. Now the pantry's kind of small, but they used a pocket door, so that's interesting. But it does go back a little ways. But I think you'd have enough room in there for stuff. Probably not the biggest one we've seen, but it does kind of fit the space, if that makes any sense. You know, there's only so much room in a place. You know, you got your little dining area they've set up. And coming out here, it's kind of a little narrow-ish feel, but still got decent. I love that kitchen. I mean, the bottom line is I love that kitchen. Big 8-foot sliders, getting 9-foot ceilings in all these models. Nice. One-piece countertop sinks. Sometimes simpler is better. I know it would work for me. Pretty standard cabinets in gray. Nice walk-in shower. And you know what? Decent sized closet. I mean, not the most ginormous, but again, we're dealing with a 1,700 square foot home, 1,760. You know, what's really kind of cool, most builders, and you see it in here as well, their models sometimes are tuned up. In certain areas, they're really tuned up nice. In other areas, they just use some of their, you know, standard items, I'll say. Because it does kind of give you an idea of, you know, how nice it would work with a standard versus an upgraded, you know, sort of thing. You know, the stairs here, they've got wood treads. Again, I'm sure that more than likely carpet is the standard, okay? So I think that's a pretty safe bet. But over here, coming up here to the steps, this is a loft over on our left. Now you can't upgrade this if caught in time. They're building a lot of inventory homes, so you'd have to catch it in time in a building that wasn't started yet. A nice tray ceiling. But this could be optioned up to a 4th bedroom, okay? Coming around over here, we got our full bath. Again, pretty standard countertop stuff, nothing fancy there. Straight stack tile, metal tubs. But this they don't have a door on this washer and dryer space. They probably did it so you can see it easier, but this has a door on the floor plan that has a door there. Linen closet, air handler, and your 2 back bedrooms. Or secondary, which are pretty good size, and there are closets in here. These closets are pretty good size in here. Watch, I'll show you. Decent sized rooms. Let's go over here and I'll show you this closet. It's a nice little walk-in for a secondary bedroom. Wow, look at this. So if you didn't need to use it as a secondary bedroom, this would be a great something else, but extra closet space, you know. Definitely extra closet space for use for the master. Some stuff that you don't use all the time, you know. Any one of these could be, either one of these could be extra space if you didn't need to use it as a bedroom. You know, your seasonal jackets, this, that, and the other. Because even this one's a little walk-in. Pretty cool. Not bad at all. All right, let's head back downstairs. I kind of like this. This is kind of a cool look right here if we got that as a loft. If that was a room, of course, you're going to have double door. You could have double doors on it. Their plan has, let me double check their plan here. But the plan has double doors. Oh, excuse me, it has a single door. I'm sorry. It has a single door right here. Then you can walk in, but that would be a wall, of course. So I'm not sure I'd like that. Might be a little claustrophobic. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys. I love giving you information, as you know. Try to stay educated so we can educate you guys. Look at that. I love this kitchen. This is a cool kitchen. All right, gang, that was the Osprey by Dream Finders here at Cherry Elm and Silverleaf. We appreciate you following along on our videos. We're honored and blessed that you do, that you learn from our stuff. We love teaching, so if we can give you a hand getting into a home, get you some more information, just give us a shout out, call, text, you know the routine. And I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks.